Right, I just want to give you a quick tour of our new compost toilet that we have here at Verbyry Dam wild camping spot at Montevue Nature Farm. So the toilet is right over here. You'll see it's nicely hidden down there. Let me quickly show you how it works. So you can see it's very basic, but it's got a nice proper toilet seat. Little cover here that you need to keep closed for any flies or insects. And then you will see there's a bucket with some sawdust where all the poo goes. Here we have a funnel, which is a urine separator. You need to make sure you aim the urine right in here. Now, the previous model used to have a 5-liter bucket over here that you need to empty. Now it's got a pipe that the urine separator is connected to, which funnels deep down into earth and filters down into the soil. So you don't need to empty that anymore. Just need to sprinkle some sawdust every time you do your business here so that it doesn't stick, to keep the flies away and so that all the bacteria can start working on creating that compost. Make sure you keep the lids closed. On the side here you will find a bucket with the sawdust that you need to sprinkle over every time, and as soon as the bucket is full, which usually just happens like once a weekend or when you're done at the end, then you simply take the bucket and you go empty it in the compost bin, which is over there, just a short walk away. Over time the compost will start composting, and once that bin is full, we will empty it and use it on the farm gardens as proper human manure compost. Right, so this is the view that you can look forward to when you're sitting here at Compi version 2.0, the name of Montevue's wild camping spot's little compost toilet. Right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let us know what you think of this setup.